Well, hey, welcome to Throttle Power. Glad you could tune in. Got a lot of great info for you. Grab a pen and paper. You got some stuff to put on your calendar. And I also want to show you what I picked up from the 8th annual Derby City Modelers Model Contest and Swap Meet. It was a fantastic swap meet. In fact, prices were so good. I even had someone comment this about $15 kits. And I was walking around the show thinking, man, there's a lot of $15 kits. So when he commented that, I thought, yep, he's right. He noticed in the videos. Also, I want to show you what I picked up at the hobby shop, because the neat thing about this show here in Louisville, there's a fantastic hobby shop, Scale Reproductions. It's maybe 5 minutes away from the show, and they always have a show flyer you can pick up. 15% off if you go to the hobby shop and get something that day. And a lot of people go and get stuff, including me. 15% off, you can't beat it. Anyway, let's get the camera turned around and I'll show you what I got, and I'll show you those show flyers. All right, I'm gonna start off with what I got at the hobby shop at Scale Reproductions, which is only about maybe a 5 or 10 minute drive from the Derby City Modelers Model Contest. And again, they always have a flyer at that show you can pick up and take into the hobby shop, and you get 15% off on all your purchase that day. So this kit was $26.40 minus 15% off. I thought that was a smoking deal. I'm gonna have to open that up. We're gonna look inside and see what that kit's got in it. My favorite primer, Vallejo primer, black primer. I got 4 cans of that, and I picked up 2 cans of some Tamiya Orange TS98, hoping to have enough for my big 1/12 scale Revell Camaro. So there's a hint on the color I'm going with it, and hoping to have just enough maybe to paint that. I'm not sure yet, but again, I thought this was all a smoking deal. And there's what I paid for everything. So your Tamiya paint come to about $6.80. All the primers, they're $12.54 a piece. And what would this model kit cost? This model kit cost $22.44. So not bad. All that, everything in that bag for $91. Not too bad. And some stuff I picked up from Wonderfest, which was like the first of June of 2025, which is a cool sci-fi show. It's a neat show. This is a creature. He's 3D printed. Got this for 20 bucks. This is going to be a little slump buster build. It's that guy that comes out of their stomach or something. He's got a lot of neat mouth detail. He's actually designed to mount on the wall like that, which I thought was pretty cool. So he'll be a neat little fun weekend paint, really. I can't say build. And I picked up something else that's pretty neat. The mole people in this old box. Got this guy for 20, and I got the mole guy for 20 bucks also, which I thought was pretty cool. He's all in there. This old box. Something kind of neat to build. The mole people. Let's see. He kind of started, that's why it was so cheap. But he's all there. And it's very well molded. The mole guy is very well molded. And he does come off there, and that comes off. I thought it was pretty neat. Again, something that's going to be just a fun weekend paint. I can't say a build, just a paint. As far as the show, I picked up this 32 Roadster from Revell for 15 bucks. I thought that was a smoking deal. I love getting these tires and wheels. If you bought these tires and wheels aftermarket, you're going to have 15, 20 bucks in it. It's got a great engine, great tires and wheels. It's just a parts car if you just want to use it for parts. Otherwise, and it's also a good kit too. Love this kit. I'll unbox it and show you what's inside it. And for 15 bucks, I couldn't pass this up. I thought this was a smoking deal. Tamiya kit. This is already open, so I'll show you what's inside it. It's a beautiful kit. Tires and wheels are nice. Of course, it's Tamiya. Can't go wrong. 15 bucks. It's got some photo etch too. Smoking deal for 15 bucks. Alright, you want to see what's inside this 32? Let's get this sucker cracked open here. Alright. Again, I like this kit for parts. It's a great parts kit. What do we got here? There's the wheels. The headers are wonderful. I love those headers. It's got a Duval windshield frame. I'm not going to unbag everything. This isn't a review on this kit. I just want to show you what's inside it. I was going to say, are there any tires? Ah, the tires are in there. Man, I got ripped off. There's the tires. Alright, and here's the decal sheet. I thought, man, there's the decal sheet. Alright. So, neat little kit for 15 bucks. Or if you find it for full price, it's still a great kit. You can't go wrong with it. Alright, let's unbox this Porsche and see what it looks like inside. Why not? Right, good. There we go. Alright. Oh, it's already orange. Well, good. Means my orange paint will cover that nice. Won't have to primer it to soften up that white. Good, good, good. So that just saved me some money, because I thought I was going to have to probably primer it, maybe the primer pink or the gray to soften up the white, because I figured the body would be white. Man, this is a nice kit. I didn't realize how nice this was. There's the tires. Belly pan, all that rivet detail. And there you go. This would be a great kit for a 24 or 48 hour build. Slump buster. Shelf model. Whatever you want. Is there an engine? Nope. And I knew that going in, which is fine with me, because I love the look of that on how it's displayed. All your full body panels on. Just gives that certain look sitting there. And it will look good sitting on the shelf or at a model show. And you can enter this in curbside, racing. You can enter this in almost about several different classes you can enter this in. Very cool. I'm glad I got this. All right, show flyers. Before I start showing you the show flyers, I want to show you this. If you want to send me a self-addressed stamped envelope to this address, I will send you a bunch of stickers. I'll pack it in with stickers and get you some Throttle Power stickers where it's all about the throttle. I get asked that a lot, pass them out to shows, and this gives an opportunity for people to get a sticker, or several stickers, who aren't around to see me at shows. So send a self-addressed stamped envelope to that address, and I will get you out some stickers. We got some flyers to check out for upcoming shows. I tried to put them in order. Here's a model car contest and swap meet, August 9th, 2025. And this is a neat show because there's also a car show outside called Hoodlums in the Holler. And it's in Halderman, or Moorhead, Kentucky. So there's the flyer on that. And 45th Annual HMCA, Who's Your Model Car Association, Model Car Contest and Swap Meet. Always a good show. You know it's a good show if they're going on 45 years. That's in Lebanon, Indiana. And the Military Modelers Club of Louisville, they're putting on a show. That's the only flyer I didn't have. The show, the club that I'm in, I didn't have a flyer for it. I guess because I don't know, I just assumed I knew when it was and everything. But here's the flyer to the Military Modelers Club of Louisville show. And it's September 27th in Shepherdsville, Kentucky. And don't poo-poo it because it's IPMS, or Military Modelers Club of Louisville, because there's a lot of cars that enter in the car category. And there's some car vendors there also. So check this show out, guys, if you're a car model builder, or if you kind of branch out like I do and build something military or an airplane or Gundams or sci-fi, bring it to this show too. It'd be a great show to go to. Another show coming up in Franklin, Ohio. The Atomic City Rod and Custom Carbs Model Car Club. Putting on this show. It's September 13th. And here's a neat show. Actually, this is not a show, it's just a swap meet. It's Kentucky's largest slot car show and model car swap meet. And that's all it is. And it's the 8th annual, and it's really neat. You go in there and all it is a swap meet of all models and slot cars, which is pretty cool. And it's in Shepherdsville, Kentucky, September 28th. It's in the exact same building as the following day as the flyer I just showed you, Military Modelers Club. So two shows in a row in the same building. Another show, 9th Annual Plastic Modelers Club of Owensboro. These are good guys in Owensboro, and it's a good place to go eat barbecue because they've got 2 world-famous all-you-can-eat barbecue buffet restaurants. You'll have to look them up in Owensboro. And we've been to both, and it's kind of a divided line on which place you like better. But this is September 4th. No, October 4th, I'm sorry. I got September on my mind from the other shows. But October 4th, 2025. Year's theme is trucking. Great show. Check this show out too, guys. And there's the address to it. So definitely write these on the calendar. All right. For the following year, 2026, we got some flyers for that also. Cincinnati Challenge, May 2nd, 2026. There's a flyer to that. Here's a show. These guys are doing it upright, the Modelorama. This was a great show this year. This is next year's show, 2026. That's at the Johnson County Fairgrounds in Franklin, Indiana. And why I say these guys are doing it upright, their first annual, you'll have to check out my show coverage. They had people from Florida come to the show. They had people even come from California to this show. These guys are doing it upright for a first annual. So I'm looking forward to this second annual show. You know it's going to be good. That's their 2026 show. Another 2026 show, River City Rumblers, or the River City Rumble. I'm sorry. Model Car Contest and Swap Meet, Saturday, June 20th, 2026. And this is in Memphis, Tennessee. That's the show flyers I've got for you. If you want to see more show flyers, tune in. As I pick them up, I'm going to start showing them because I get requested a lot to show flyers. So I'm going to start doing that for you guys since you're asking for it. Well, what'd you think? Are there some shows you're going to go to? I know I'm going to try to hit some of them, if not all of them. And $15 kits, man, you can't beat it. And picking up a kit for about 20 bucks at the hobby shop, can't beat that either. I know, there'll be a lot of haters to say, well, you know, it doesn't have this or that, but I thought it was a cool kit and even got some paint to paint it orange, and I love the color orange, and I think it's going to be a cool kit sitting on the shelf. Or maybe to take to a show and do a curbside. You never know. Well, anyway, we'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.